guys, good morning. I'm Zadente from class 1, grade 3. It's my great honor to stand here to talk about the Little Women with you. First, I wanted to ask a question for you. Stay home and wives and mothers is the women's duty? Yes or no? Okay, great. Of course not. Okay, first and foremost, Little Women is an autobiographical novel by Lojame Korko. During the American Civil War, Mr. March leaving his wife and 4 daughters to live a simple life. It tells the story of the 4 March sisters, Meg and June, Beth and Amy, as they navigate their journey from childhood to women from the army. And this book shows us the power of women. In many ways, it's with the power to pursue love and freedom. The 4 sisters are very different in character, but share a deep point of love and sisterhood. The eldest daughter, she is beautiful and she is like expensive things. But she falls in love with her poor boy. And the second daughter, Ju, is very personality and she wanted to become a writer. And the third daughter, Beth, is a talented musician and she is kind and strong. And the youngest daughter, she is very talented in painting and once followed her aunt to Europe to choose a rich boy to marry. But finally, she gave up the rich boy to get married with her poor boy. Okay, the 4 daughters' childhood is not happy, but they have an optimistic attitude to face the difficult things in life. In turbulent times, the institute of the most precious treasure of life is the most original love, peace, and health. As we can know in this book, all of women are strength and freedom. And strength, the Little Women tells us that there is no path in the world that girls must take or should take. And love or marriage is necessary in our life. Okay, finally, I wanted to express my feeling after reading these books. In the past, or until now, people generally believe, as the women, they should stay home and then get children, and stay home and to be wives and mothers. But we need to realize time has changed. We need to realize, as the women, they have their own mind and they have the right to choose anything. And they have the right to choose the life. No matter what people perceive of me, I always shine through at the end of the day. You never let someone else define who you are. Only you can define who you are. Women, we have soul and we have mind, as well as just heart